So we're going to take our yarn and place it at the top like so. Begin to wrap around your object. So in this case I'm using a coaster. So the amount of wraps you decide to do will depend on the thickness of your of how thick you'd like your tassel to be. So here I'll be doing 30 wraps around the coaster. The yarn is pretty fluffy, so I've just decided to do 30, but you could do more or less if you choose to. Now once you've reached the amount you want, you will take your scissors and then cut your yarn once you've reached the desired amount, like so. And then try to cut on the same side as your other tail is on. And now this is the pre-cut piece of yarn, so approximately 5 or 6 inch will do. So you're gonna take your crochet hook, you can use your fingers, so we're gonna just use the crochet hook to pull this piece of yarn through like so, right? And then just put it through the top part right at the center to create a knot, and then to secure that knot you make another knot, and then once you've made your second knot to secure previous, you may leave the dangles or you may want to cut it, it depends. So you just slide this now off your coaster or your object, whichever you've chosen to use, right? So now we will take our scissors and then begin to cut our loops. Try to make sure it's even at the center and to just cut our loops as such, and remember to hide your knot by turning that top loop to the center. And so here we have our tassel. So now we will just neatly trim the ends and so forth. So they're even like that, right? And then you can just play around and try to get it even and look neater still. So it's neatly trimmed and looking even. Okay. Right. Okay then. So once that's done and it looks okay, looks alright, we're gonna take our pre-cut yarn once more. So we're gonna make a loop around the top of our tassel, which is the neck, and try to wrap around as neatly as you can, and so once you've taken your yarn, you're just wrapping it around like so. Crochet hook. Once again, you can use your finger to pull through that piece of yarn. Okay, because we don't necessarily want to cut it, we just want it to blend in with our tassels, right? With our tassels. So you just pull through like so, and then you're gonna tug it, pull it through, and take your scissor and cut. It's a little bit stringy, so you take your next piece of yarn and you just go around wrapping again, wrapping it around and around, and then use your crochet hook again to pull through to add on the wraps. Okay. other option you could do is just to create a knot and then wrap around and then pull that knot down under the wraps, and then take your crochet hook and just pull that knot underneath your wraps, and it does, hide your knot just the same. However, I want my actual yarns to blend in without having to cut it. So that completes our knots and our tassels, and so we've got our tassel completed. And there we have it. Now the next thing is to apply our findings, which is our jump rings. So you're going to take your jump ring, attach your ear hook, and then once you attach your ear hook, you will now attach the jump ring to the small little loop at the top or at the center of our tassel, and then take your flat nose plier and close your jump ring, and then you will now have your completed tassel earring. So there we have it. Very fun and easy, simple to make tassel earrings. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Galatians Designs, Tassels, DIY tassel earrings. God bless. Bye. Bye bye.